The biggest gripe that I have about my 2018 Road Glide is that it does not have tire pressure monitoring. Now, during the 5 years that I've owned this bike, I have had 2 tire failures on here while I was riding. And I don't get any kind of warning because, again, I don't have tire pressure monitoring. So what I've done is I've added an aftermarket tire pressure monitoring that is available on Amazon. And I'm going to give you a demonstration of it in this video today. The way the system works, there's a cell phone app that you can install. You replace your valve stem cap with this tire pressure sensor, and it just screws on. It's very simple. You connect it to the app and you're good to go. And then it will show you and display the tire pressure as well as the temperature of the tire. Now, if the tire pressure starts to drop, it will give you an audible alert, which is perfect for me because it will come through my phone, which was always connected to my bike, or it's connected to my headset and my helmet. So I will always get an audible warning. To me, that's better than just getting a little warning on the screen because I might not see it until it's too late. I'm going to remove the tire pressure sensor and I'm going to show you and then allow you to hear what the warning sounds like.
Front tire pressure is too low. Front tire pressure is too low.
Now I'm going to put it back on.
Front tire pressure is too low.
So I really like that feature because it's going to keep nagging you because the fact of the matter is if you're losing tire pressure, you want it to stay in your face like that until you address it because this can cause you to get into a lot of trouble losing tire pressure. But the funny thing, it does nag you, but again, that you really want that. That's an advantage. That's really going to help you. Now, the other thing that you can do is you can also set an upper and lower limit to tell the system when you want to be alerted. So I normally keep about 36 pounds in my front tire. So I have it currently set to alert me at 33.8 for a low limit and 50 for an upper limit. So if the tire pressure gets too high, it's also going to tell me that as well. And you can set that upper and lower control limit to anything you want. And again, that's not an option that we have on the built-in system on my other Harley. So I really, really like this system. Now there's 2 drawbacks that I've thought about with the system. One of them is it's added weight to your wheel. So what I'm going to address that by having this tire pressure sensor on here when I get my wheel rebalanced. The other thing is that it has a battery. That's how it works. But the good thing for that is the battery power is displayed on the screen. And I'm currently at 95%, and this has been on here for a couple of months. So my expectation is that it's actually going to last quite a long time. I may just get into the habit of replacing it, every riding season just to make sure that I'm safe. But right now, it actually looks like it's going to be pretty good. Something else I want to show you is my new tire pressure gauge that I have. So we're going to use this to determine how accurate this is. This is supposed to be a very accurate gauge. I did a little bit of research to make sure I found one that was really good. And so we're going to inflate my tires back up to 36 pounds and compare what my gauge says to what the tire pressure sensor says. So I'm going to turn the volume off on here so it doesn't pester us. Well, currently it's reading 34.5 PSI, and we are at 36. And it looks like we're reading 36.4. So it's off by a little bit, so that's not enough that I really care. The true thing I'm looking for from this system is alerts if it starts detecting a drop in tire pressure. And I can confirm that that's actually working really well. And I like the way this works better than the tire pressure in my other Harleys. If you want a system like this for your bike, I'll provide links to my tire pressure monitor and my tire pressure gauge in the description of this video. So take a look at those, and I would appreciate you using them. This is Q. I'm riding, I'm wrenching, and I'm out.
Oh, so the nail.
All right, so what's the problem here?
The problem is this nail that this little short midget right here that's stuck in his rear tire.
Sweeper, can you get your head out the way?
How does that work? You keep that.
It's a souvenir.
Yeah, pull it straight out.
Oh no, that's
It's
holding it.
who did y'all just make an earth
That was
sound?
Prez. Pull the nail.
No.
Somebody
No, that was Prez. Yeah, pull it. That was Prez, man. Pull the damn thing. Pull the damn nail out of there. Man, you wrong for that. Man, did somebody make a shoe sound?
Got him.